How to format and reinstall OS for MaxReseller servers. If you run into any issues, MaxReseller's support team is always ready to assist you. Email support@maxreseller.com, phone +91 85 3887 7078, reliable support, anytime you need it. Access the login page. Navigate to the MaxReseller Client Area login page. Enter your credentials, email address. Input the email address associated with your MaxReseller account. Password, enter your password. Log in. Click the login button to access your account. Click on Services. Then click on the name of your service. Next, click on Open Control Panel. Finally, select Rebuild to reinstall the operating system. You're now ready to set up your server. Enter your name, choose your host name, set your time zone, select your operating system. You can also add an SSH key, optional. If you need more options, click on Advanced Options for extra features. Once you're ready, click Install. Please wait while the process completes. When it's 100% complete, you'll receive an email with all your server credentials, including IP address, username, password. Finally, open your server dashboard and you're ready to go. If you run into any issues, MaxReseller's support team is always ready to assist you. Email support@maxreseller.com, phone +91 85 3887 7078, reliable support, anytime you need it.